guys, it's me from the previous Lego Fortnite video, and you may be asking what's this thing in my hand. It's a large nail, so this is only for 6+ age, and we're going to be building a piano with a guitar. So like and subscribe also. So let's start building it. It's so hard to open. So now we're going to take the book first, the important thing, the book. I don't think this one is really a book. This one is really like a folded paper. And there you go, just a folded paper like I said. And this is the whole book. And this is the whole book. And we're going to be starting on 1. And I don't even know where it's 1. Oh, I found it. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the front and this is the back. So let's just pull it down. So this is how it looks like. This one. That's how it looks like. So we're going to be start on 1. So just pull down the whole thing now. So we're just gonna split all down. Wow. It's getting a little bit messy here. Don't try to escape me. Yeah, and this is the tiny guitar I said we're gonna be putting on. So this is the tiny guitar. So let's start with this square. So now we need a staircase, I think it's called that. Where is it? Oh, there. So this is the block we need. So now we're going to combine them in a decent spot, I think so. So this is that. So now we're going to be needed these two. So now we're going to combine it here and here, and we're going to put one of these in here, and so this is disturbing me. So I'm just going to put it away. What is this? We need something. Oh my god. It just fall down my... So we just put it there. And now we are going to put... I believe it's these two. Yeah, it is those two. So now we're done those two. So now we need the rolling part, which I don't know. So and this is a golden part. It's a golden one. So now we're going to just put it here. It's like that. So now we're going to put 2 of these, but first we need 2 of these, and then we will put those. So let's put them together here and here, and I believe I have to put it here. Oh yeah, I do have to put it there. And I have to put this here. So now it looks like this. So then we're going to be putting wait a second. This looks odd. Oh, it's supposed to be like this. I don't understand this anymore. They are confusing me. They're actually confusing me. So we're just going to put this. So guys, we just made a mistake. We actually supposed to put this little guy in here. So now we're good to go. That's what I thought. So now we're going to get, what is it again? Oh yeah, now we're going to get these two together and we're going to put it here and these two together like these same. So we're just going to tighten it up. Okay, there. So now we're going to put it here. That's how it looks. So now we're on step 7. So in step 7, you gotta put this here. And we gotta get this block again and put this here. Oh no, I just turned the chair. So now we're going to put the piano keyboard, I believe it's called, but I don't really think it is. So now we're going to put these two in these two spots and there. So now we're just going to flip it. So this and what is it again? This and so we need these two blocks to stay here and here. So now they're both together now. So now we need to get this block to stay here. So now we need these two thingies and we gotta put them here. I believe it's here. Yeah, actually I will put these two first. It's hard because they're tiny, of course. So now we need this piece on top. Where is it? Piece? I think so. So I'm just going to put it here for no reason. So now we are going to put the notes, the musical notes, in here. So now we need the guitar that I showed you in the first, and we need this thing, screw thing. And we gotta, oh no, oops, at fault. How was it so hard? Steady go. Okay, now it's supposed to be like this. So, and now this is here. Yeah, this is over here. So now we place the guitar like this. So now we just gotta turn this like this. So now we gotta put the guitar stick here, the stick of the guitar here. So now we need, I don't know why is this in the piece. Why does it not make sense? So now we got them both. So now we need these two to be combined. So so we just set this up. So now we need this block, this glass thingy, to stay under here, I believe. And it's, yeah. And these are the remaining, and these are the remaining stuff. This is how it looks like. And like and subscribe. And this is the end of the belt. Hi guys.